So we have to make this experience to enter in ourselves, to discover God within ourselves. How? Well, to say to you, it's hard in America because here, you know, the young people want to live in noise. They make a lot of noise because they don't feel good if it is not too much noise around. It's like an escape. This so-called music, I don't know if it is music or not, it's some noise, but they like it because they are afraid to stay by themselves, to be quiet 1 hour in one place and don't say anything. Stay there because God wants to talk to you. And they are afraid to make these experiences and an escape. They said, "Oh, let's make noise to be." As a little girl in the camp, I always, we have a religious education camp, I always mention that there was a little girl there, was a teenage, not so little, and she had 2 transistors, one here and one here, because there were 2 programs, I don't know, with earphone, both of them full blast, and she was walking through the camp. And somebody told her, "Shut them off." And she said, "Father, if I shut them off, I'm getting crazy." Imagine, what a dramatic situation. Not to be able to be just you and Jesus Christ. If you don't have anything to say to him, he has something to say to you. But that is the experience. First of all, we have to be at least 1 or 2 hours by ourselves there. Not only in prayer to say something, to ask, give me that, or no, this is a prayer. The prayer is to have that feeling that God is within you. That is the definition of prayer. It's not as much as you read, it's not much as many psalms you say. Prayer is when you feel that God is within you. We are a mystery. We don't know who we are. David said, "What is man, Lord, that you pay so much attention to him? You made him a little less than the angels. You crowned him with glory. And what is man?" We don't know. We don't know why God needed to create me, or you and me. Because God is fullness. But he wanted to have somebody to talk with. We don't understand. God wants to talk us all the time. We don't pay any attention to him.